In this video, we are going to solve the questions given in 6th standard maths workbook under term 1, unit 2, introduction to algebra, worksheet number 3. Multiple choice questions. First question, find the number in the following number pattern: 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. From this pattern, we have to identify the next number. So, see the pattern. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, this is the pattern of the given number. And then 3 plus 5 is we get 8. Then 8 plus 13 is we get 21. Then 21 plus 13 is we get answer as 34. So, option C is the correct answer. Second question, if x is an odd number, then the next odd number is, substitute the value of x as 1, x equal to 1. Substitute in option A, we get 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this will not come. Next option B, put the value of x as 1 plus 2, we get 3. Then next, put the value of x as 1 plus 4, we get 5. And 2 into value of x is 1, we get 2. So two options give the answers. So you can mark either B or C. Third question, 4 more than 3 times of a number is represented as. See, 4 more than 3 times. 3 times means 3 times of a number means 3 into x. 4 more than means plus 4. So answer is option D. Fourth question, perimeter of the given square shaped garden is dash units. To find the perimeter of the square, we have to add the length of the 4 sides. So here also y units, and here also y, and here also y. So we get y plus y plus y plus y, we get 4y. So answer is option B. Fifth question, in the assembly 7 students are standing in the first row. If there are n rows, then how many students are attending prayer? See, 7 students are standing in the first row. If there are n rows, we have to multiply by n. So answer is option C. Sixth question, if a minus 3 equal to 5, then the value of a is dash. Keep a in the left hand side and bring others to the right. So already we have 5 and we have to bring minus 3 to the right hand side. If it comes to the right hand side, the sign will change as plus. So 5 plus 3. So the answer is A equal to 8. Option C is the correct answer. Seventh question, dash into 1 equal to n. We have to find what is to be multiplied to get the value of n. So while multiplying n into 1, we get the value of n. So answer is option B. Eighth question, n into dash equal to 0. We have to find which number to be multiplied to get the value of 0. Answer is option D. When we multiply n into 0, we get the value of 0. Ninth question, Anbu spends particular, keep this as. Ninth question, Anbu spends, consider this as particular amount each day for buying milk. Which of the following represents the amount of money spent by Anbu after 8 days? So while we multiplying this amount into 8, we get the answer. So answer is option B. See, they are multiplied the money with 8. So answer is option B. 10th question, consider n is a number between 12 and 21. Then n plus 4 will be between the numbers dash and dash. We have to find the numbers between n plus 4. So add 12 plus 4, we get 16. And add 21 plus 4, we get 25. So answer is option C. 11th question, by observing the given pattern, x and y have some relation. Choose the correct algebraic expression in the terms of x and y. See, in the question they given the values of x and y. We have to substitute the value of x in the given expression and find which one is correct. So take option A, y equal to x plus 2. While substituting the value of x as 2, we get y equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. But in the y, they given us 5. So this option will not come. Then go for the next option, y equal to x plus 3. Again substitute the value of x as 2. 2 plus 3, we get 5. Then go for x as 3 in the same equation. So 3 plus 3 we get 6. But in the question they given us 7. So this option will not come. Then go for the next option, that is y is equal to c, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So substitute the value of x. Y equal to 2 into first is 2, 2 plus 1. We get 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Then substitute the value of x as 3. So you get y equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 6 plus 1. We get 7. Second one also follows. Then go for the next one. Y equal to 2 into substitute the value of x as 4 plus 1. We get 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So option C is the correct answer. 12th question. If A is equal to 2B, B is equal to 2C and C is equal to 2D, then which one of the following statement is true? First one, A is 2 times of C. But in the question they given A is 2 times of B. Then second option, D is 2 times of C. But in the question they given C is 2 times of D. Then third is A is 4 times of D. We can't able to relate this. So go for option D. B is 4 times of D. We can relate this. C, take the values of B and C. B equal to 2C. Substitute the value of C in here. So we get B equal to 2 into 2D. So B is equal to 4D. So that we get B is the 4 times of D. So option D is the correct answer. Next, short answer questions. 13th one. Match the verbal statement with algebraic statement as given below. See, we have to match it with algebraic statement. First one is x is subtracted from 5. So 5 minus x is the correct answer. Then x times of 5. So we write as 5 into x. Then x more than 5. So we write it as 5 plus x. Then x divided by 5. We write it as x by 5. 14th question. Arun convened a meeting for 10 people. In a table, 4 people can be seated. While combining 2 tables, 6 can be seated as shown in the figure. What is the minimum number of tables required to accommodate everyone? See, in one table, 4 people can be seated. So, while adding another table, 2 more people can be seated. So we get 6 here, and we already have 6 and we need to add 4. So if we add 2 tables, we get the value of 10 peoples. So answer is 4 tables. Write minimum 4 number of tables required to accommodate everyone. Fifteenth question. Observe the following chart. If this can be represented as 3m plus 5, then how can one represent the following chart? See, in the given chart they multiplied m by 3 and then they added 3 to the 5. So answer is 3m plus 5. So we have to do the same as they given. Here n and multiply by 7 we get 7n. Then we have minus 3 here. So 7n minus 3. 16th question. What is the perimeter of the rectangle of length p units and breadth q units? To find the perimeter of rectangle, we have to add the lengths of the rectangle. So if q is here, then the opposite side also q. If p is there, then its opposite side also p. So add the 4 lengths. Perimeter is equal to p plus q plus p plus q. So we get 2p plus 2q. To take 2 as common, so we get p plus q units. 17th question. Convert the given figure into an algebraic equation. See, from the diagram we have to form the algebraic equation. So x and 3 is there. If we add x plus 3, we get the value of 15. So that equation is x plus 3 equal to 15. 18th question. 2-digit numbers are expressed as follows. 12 is equal to 10 into 1 plus 2, 25 is equal to 10 into 2 plus 5, and 98 equal to 10 into 9 plus 8. If the tens digit is m and then the unit digit is n, then what is the algebraic expression of that 2-digit number? In the question they given to substitute the value of 10th place as m and 1's place as n and find the algebraic expression. So first one is 12 is equal to 10 into 1 plus 2. This is the unit digit and this is the tens digit. So we have to substitute m in the 10th digit and n in the unit digit. So we get m into 1 plus n. So the expression is m plus n. Then second, 25 is equal to 10 into 2 plus 5. In the 10th place we have to substitute m, into 2 is there, plus in the unit place we have to substitute n. So 2 into m is 2m plus n. Then next, 98 is equal to 10 into 9 plus 8. Substitute m in 10th place, that is m into 9 plus in unit place n. We get 9 into m is 9m plus n. 19th question. Sundaram bought 16 oranges and 7 bananas. Each orange costs rupees 8 and each banana cost rupees 5. Write the numerical expression representing the total cost. So we have to find the numerical expression representing the total cost. Total cost is equal to, Sundaram bought 6 oranges for 8 rupees. So 6 into 8 and 7 bananas. So we have to add. So plus 7 bananas for rupees 5 into 5. This is the numerical expression representing the total cost. Next, 20th question. Danny thinks of a number and subtracts 8 from it. Then he gets 26. Write the algebraic equation. See, Danny thinks a number. Say that number is x. Then he subtract 8 from it. So we write it as x minus 8. Then he gets 26. While subtracting, he get the value of 26. So the expression is x minus 8 equal to 26.